So before I start any project, I like going to printest and just have a look on what other people have done, and this is one that I liked, and I'm just gonna go through the other pattern that I found on Printest, and I will leave a few links down below for you guys so you can also have a demonstration on how you can design your Harry Style sweater. I also got another written pattern on how many square of this square you can make to achieve your desired look. And yes, I'm just gonna leave everything down below. Make sure you check that out. So what I am talking about is this pattern that is coming just about now. It's just gonna show you the cubes that you need or the squares that you need for your Harry Style sweater. So this is the pattern that I am talking about, and it says here that you need about 60 cubes or squares in the colors of your choice. You don't have to have one color. I'll just leave a link down below for you guys. And these are the other patterns to make a sweater of your choice, and it's actually not easy to do, so research is the key when you want to make this sweater. So we're just gonna go ahead with our project to-do list. So up close and personal, this is the pattern that I chose. It's gonna be so much fun of your pattern and everything. So you're gonna pick the color. These are some of the colors that I have. I thought I'll just show it to you guys, and then you're gonna pick up the styles of the crocheting styles that you're gonna do for your squares. So you've got the pattern, you've got the colors. So now let's just move on to the styles. So because the original Harry Style sweater is knitted, so that's why we have to do that. These are some of the patterns that I chose. As you can see, I did just a simple half double crochets, and I did double crochet with the lines in the middle. And yeah, so the rundown of the colors, it's just my personal choice. I don't like heavily bright colors. So to move into my arrangement, this is what I'm aiming to for at the end of my pattern. So as you can see, this is the entire back done. A rundown of the colors choices again. So I've got orange, and I've also got black, and I've got this the other colors that I've shown you guys. But as you can see, I've just arranged it to my personal choice. In the next video though, so stay tuned, we are going to demonstrate each pattern. I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys on how I have achieved these patterns, so stay tuned. And if there's any question or anything that you want me to do, just leave a comment down below. I'll get it up to you guys. And this is just a demonstration, guys, and a rundown on a to-do list of this Harry Style sweater that we are doing. So yeah, so on the process, so you have to have your colors of choice, your pattern, and then your crochet style of choices as well. So those three are what you need to achieve this Harry Style sweater. There's so many styles that of crochet that you can do, and don't let anyone lie to you guys. This is actually like so hard to do. So I'll see you guys I'll let you guys just have a view of my process here, and then I'll make a demonstration on each of the patterns that I have in the next video.